pressed or steamed. A Crepe-y Situation. A Crepe-y Situation. Cutthroat Kitchen. Vive le Sabotage. Vive le Sabotage. Profiterollin with the Homeys. Profiterollin with the Homeys. Uptown Wizards. A Few Good Ramen. Welcome to the jungle. Welcome to the jungle. All in a day's jerk. I know who killed me. I know who killed me. Alton and the Chocolate Busy World of Richard Scarry. Alton and the Chocolate Factory. In it to twin it. In it to twin it. Ho-Ley Pot. Ho-Ley Pot. Hawai'i 5-0 No. Camp Cutthroat 2 Heat 4. The mother of all episodes. Evilicious, 20,000 Leagues Under the Prep Table. Time Warp Tournament Grand Finale, 1990s. Camp Cutthroat Finale, The Great Troutdoors. Tos-Ta-Da. Season 5 episode number 3 Judge, Jet, Tila, 1 chef is brought back to their childhood when they cook in a high chair. Dishes, chicken fingers, Tos-Ta-Da corn muffins. Naughty vs. Yes. Nice. Season 11 episode number 2 Judge, Antonia Lofaso. Things get festive in Cutthroat Kitchen in a holiday cooking competition. Dishes, party dip, beef tenderloin dinner snack for Santa. Empanada Chance. How does that crack ya? Evilicious, frying first class. Season 7 episode number 11 Judge, Jet, Tila, 3 chefs have to make stir fry while sitting in airline seats. Dishes, stir fried chicken, fried steak cobbler. Chili to the bone. Melts in your pot, not in your hand. Season 2 episode number 9 Judge, Jet, Tila, 1 chef goes island style by harvesting water from coconuts for pad thai. Dishes, potato skins, pad thai birthday cake. Evilicious finale. Season 7 episode number 14 Judge, Simon, Majumdar, 2 chefs have to make meatballs in a ball pit. Dishes, spaghetti and meatballs, teriyaki dinner, coconut macaroons. Superhero Sabotage. Season 4 episode number 9 Judge, Jet, Tila chefs face sabotages as they make heroes, gyros and superfood desserts. Dishes, hero sandwich, TV dinner, banana split. I can't believe it's not butter. Season 4, episode number 1. Judge Jet Tila, a chef must make tres leches cake with no milk products, only a cow. Dishes: breakfast sandwich, pasta bolognese, tres leches cake. Hakuna Frittata. Season 3, episode number 10. Judge Jet Tila, making a frittata becomes impossible as a chef must cook inside eggshells. Dishes: frittata po' boy, steak Diane. Tiny tools, big problems. Season 1, episode number 7. Judge Jet Tila, fortune cookies actually change one chef's fortune in an egg roll showdown. Dishes: grilled cheese sandwich with tomato soup, shepherd's pie egg roll. Superstar Sabotage finale. It's Raining Ramen. Season 10, episode number 13. Conclusion. Challenges in the Superstar Sabotage finale include cooking fish sticks in a weather chamber, making ramen while starring in a giant monster movie, and preparing desserts with both hands tied behind the chef's back. Unholy Trinity. Season 1, episode number 11. Judge Antonia Lofaso, time to see how the chefs stack up for the round 1 pancake challenge. Dishes: pancake breakfast, jambalaya meatloaf, and mashed potatoes. Superstar Sabotage finale. Season 5, episode number 12. Judge Simon Majumdar watched the Superstar Sabotage finale as chefs must cook on a boat ride. Dishes: meatballs, fish, and chips candy. Superstar Sabotage Heat 1. Superstar Sabotage Heat 1. Fast times at Cutthroat High. Fast times at Cutthroat High. Superstar Sabotage Heat 2. Superstar Sabotage Heat 2. Anything but a cakewalk. Anything but a cakewalk. Live and Let Diner. Season 7, episode number 9. Judge Jet Tila, 3 chefs find themselves on the other side of the diner counter. Dishes: skillet breakfast, French dip sandwich, rum cake. Stakeout. Season 1, episode number 8. Judge dishes: steak and fries, omelet, bananas, Foster. Taco dirty to me. Season 9, episode number 10. Judge David Alan Grier, guest Judge David Alan Grier dives into some breakfast tacos. Dishes: breakfast tacos, Italian wedding soup, New York cheesecake. Evilicious, Moo-In On Up. Season 7, episode number 13. Judge Simon Majumdar, 3 chefs have to play musical stations while making sushi rolls. Dishes: spaghetti and meatballs, teriyaki dinner, coconut macaroons. SaBOOOtage. Grandma-Tage. Season 9, episode number 8. Judge Jet Tila, 1 grandma gets down to the nitty-gritty on an Afghan. Dishes: stuffed French toast casserole pie. Judging judges. Season 3, episode number 12. Judge Jane Martin Del Campo and Ramiro Arvizu, round 1. Daniel Holzman, round 2. cherry dart round 3 tables turn in this special judges compete episode of Cutthroat Kitchen. Dishes: Taquitos meatball sub fruit tart, well hot clam. Season 3 episode number 11. Judge Jeffrey Zakarian, one chef's equipment becomes all tangled up in fishnets. Dishes: sliders clam baked barbecue chicken sandwich.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.